Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, and thank you for question in this presentation. In this session, I will present about our research. This is a part of our research in text mining, especially in Islamic text data. We have research in Islamic text data, in Al-Quran, and in Hadith data. My name is Arifat Khuluda, and our team is Hafidz, Noval, and Saifullah Dedi Supriyadi. We are all from UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. Okay, this is our student research, in undergraduate program. The name is Noval. Okay, and I will to present this result of our sentence. Our research is about the Quranic sentence in Arabic. And the interesting of Al-Quran is have the unique sentence because they are from the God, from Allah directly. Al-Quran is from Allah. They have a beautiful sentence, and to get the meaning of the sentence, we must know the position of the word in its sentence, namely the tag. We make the name is post tagging, part of speech tagging. It's one of one of the step to know the meaning. Okay, this is the interesting research, interesting task in not only in text mining, but this to get the meaning of the Al-Quran. Okay, part of speech is solution. The part of speech solution is do by determining the structure of automatically. But the challenge of our computer science researcher, our research, is how do this task automatically by computer. The method usually used is rule based. For the first, the research is rule based, but this method is faced with the problem that is out of vocabulary. Okay, and then we do the experiment to use another method, like hidden Markov model to solve the post tagging problem and OOV problem. Okay, the data we use in this research is Corpus Quran from corpusquran.com. This data is built from the Leeds University and use the use for of some researcher to do the Quranic research. This contains 6,236 sentence or verses. Okay, and this data already have the tagging. They have 44 tagging. Okay, and we use transliteration letter, not Arabic letter. We use the transliteration. We use a Backwalter transliteration like this, like in this this slide. Allah, like this. Okay, and then we do the usually some pre-processing to do this task to demikian. We do the tokenization, tokenization to spare the word in sentence. And the method we use the HMM. The first one is HMM is probability. The probability of the event depend on the event before, the one event before, and we calculate the emulsion like this. on the word in E, depend on the in E, and then we prove this probability. The word with the tagging, with this some tagging, with a filter B algorithm. Filter B algorithm use iteratively. This is a filter B algorithm. Okay, to prove this ini. And the post tagging is a classification task. Yeah, because of this we split the data with two part. One part is training data, and second part is for testing data. But we need a variation of the aspiration, not only the half of data we make training and half of data we make testing, not just like this, because we must have a variation. We have we use a k fault cross validation, and we use a 5 cross validation. We split the data with 20%, 20%, and we have 5 part of data, and we make a variation to select the data for training and for testing like this. And for the data itself, we split into 3 categories: the simple, medium, and complex. The simple data is data that contains only 3 structure, like a subject, predicate, and object. And then the medium data is if the one of tagging, like a subject have another sentence, they construct or consist from another sentence. There's a complex sentence. And then the complex sentence is the fully ayah. The fully ayah, usually there are the complex sentence more than one sentence, gitu ya. But usually only phrase, only a phrase. This interesting from the Al-Quran sentence. Okay, we have 3 data, and the result of our experiment is, yeah, for the first category, for the simple data, we have I think it's a good category, a good result, yeah, from the proportion of 80 and 20, 80 for training data and 20 for testing data. We have 90% accuracy, but 90% is correct tagging, and then lower for lower training, yeah, data training. And we have for 40%, we have 88% accuracy. This I think this is good. We have 40 data training and 60 data testing. Jadi only 40 data training and we have 60 data testing. Data testing more than data training. And in this second category, the medium data, we have 67%. This is not good enough for the complex data, for the medium. But for the complex, this is not far from the medium data, 62%. In here we need to further research to make this result is good. Okay, this is from my presentation, and any question for this presentation, please feel free to give the question. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.